Hello everyone and welcome to break 5579 for the 2021 Topps Clearly Authentic Autographed Baseball Card Box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Tuesday, October 26, 2021. It's 11:01 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:01 p.m. Central Time, and 8:01 p.m. Pacific Time in the break. Hobby 3 spots, Turk 4, Huge Hit Cards 3, Laddie Cards 2, Adam 1, Holmes with 4, Jamil 4, Lot with 1, San with 2, Matsubo 3, Steph 1, Huge Hit Cards 2 spots. And whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Chicago White Sox. Come on, camera. It's Nick Madrigal. If the camera would focus. There we go, Nick. 4 out of 25 rookie auto. Very nice. Oh, brain's not working. We didn't randomize. Let's randomize whoever has Chicago White Sox. Nick's going to you. Apologize, had the multi-sport on the mind. And there we are. And we're looking for the Chicago White Sox. Turk 10, congrats on 5579. For the 2021 Topps Clearly Authentic Autographed Baseball Card Box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you all very soon and stick around for the bonus break spot in the autographed football mini helmet. Thanks.